Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week, I am the one who is hosting the Facebook group Collab, and our theme is pets. Can be any pets, either the ones that we prefer or maybe our dream pet. So it could have been anything from dogs, cats, fishes, lizards, snakes, little critters. So it could have been any kind of pet that we found as our ideal pet. Thank you so much everybody for joining me into this collab, and I will definitely make sure that I link everything for you guys in the description box, so all the links to the videos will be there. At the end of my video you will also find all the pictures that were created for today's collab, and of course if you do enjoy these nail art tutorial videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. For my base I will be using this beautiful purple polish from Glam Polish, which was sent to me for review purposes, and I just love purple polishes, and this one spoke to me as a perfect base for today's theme, so I do hope that you will enjoy it. Alright guys, if you do have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section, and I will jump into the tutorial itself, so keep watching. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.